Number 1. 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 LTD, $6,500, Wilmington, Massachusetts. The 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 LTD represents the height of mid-60s American full-size comfort, blending elegant styling with a durable body-on-frame design. This red-on-red survivor stands out for its exceptionally solid structure, with the seller noting excellent floors and frame condition, a major advantage for any restoration-minded buyer. Recent brake and exhaust work adds value, while functioning lights, signals, wipers, and a clean interior indicate a car that has been cared for over the years. Although the drivetrain is described as tired and in need of refreshing, the car runs and drives, making it a promising foundation for a dependable cruiser. At $6,500, it offers an affordable entry into one of Ford's most respected full-size classics. Number 2. 1962 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $5,750, Portland, Connecticut. The 1962 Ford Thunderbird is one of the most recognizable personal luxury cars of its era, famous for its sleek bullet bird styling and distinctive design. This example is particularly appealing because it reportedly remained with its original owner since new. The seller states that the car runs, drives, and stops properly, while the body is described as solid and the paint remains presentable. With just over 70,000 miles showing, this Thunderbird appears to be an honest survivor rather than an over-restored example. For $5,750, it offers significant classic car appeal at a reasonable price. Number 3. 1966 Buick Special 4-door, $6,000, Minnetonka, New Jersey. The 1966 Buick Special was known for combining Buick comfort with manageable size and dependable mechanicals. While often overshadowed by Buick's performance models, these cars have become increasingly appreciated for their clean styling and usability. According to the seller, this beige 4-door sedan runs great and appears ready to enjoy. With 129,000 miles and an automatic transmission, it presents itself as a practical vintage cruiser rather than a restoration project. At $6,000, it could appeal to buyers looking for a straightforward and affordable 60s classic. Number 4. 1954 Chevrolet Sedan, $6,500, Wilmsdorf, Pennsylvania. This 1954 Chevrolet has been upgraded with a 283 cubic inch V8, a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission, and a Camaro rear axle, creating a classic Ristamod with improved drivability. Such upgrades are common among enthusiasts seeking modern performance while retaining vintage character. The seller reports numerous recent mechanical improvements, including a new radiator, gas tank, brakes, wheel cylinders, and rebuilt master cylinder. The lowered stance adds additional visual appeal. For $6,500, this Chevrolet offers a blend of traditional styling and practical upgrades. Number 5. 1955 Oldsmobile Super 88 Holiday, $9,500, Langhorne, Pennsylvania. The 1955 Oldsmobile Super 88 Holiday is one of the standout American automobiles of the mid-50s, featuring dramatic styling and the powerful rocket V8 that helped establish Oldsmobile's performance reputation. This older restoration continues to present well and is described as running and driving nicely. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, an automatic transmission, and the desirable 324 cubic inch V8, it remains a comfortable and enjoyable cruiser. At $9,500, it offers substantial vintage appeal for the money. Number 6. 1949 Studebaker Champion Coupe, $5,975, Parsippany, New Jersey. The 1949 Studebaker Champion featured some of the most advanced styling of its time, helping establish Studebaker as an innovative independent automaker. Its streamlined shape still looks distinctive more than 7 decades later. This green coupe benefits from a new headliner and is described as running and looking great for its age. With fewer than 39,000 miles showing, it appears to be a solid survivor. For under $6,000, it represents an affordable entry into post-war American automotive history. Number 7. 1978 Lincoln Continental Town Car, 6500, Wells, Maine. The 1978 Lincoln Continental Town Car embodies traditional American luxury, offering massive dimensions, exceptional comfort, and the legendary 460 cubic inch V8 engine. These final generation full-size Lincolns continue to attract collectors seeking authentic 70s luxury. This blue-on-blue survivor reportedly spent years in a museum collection and retains many original features. While it needs some cosmetic and electrical sorting, the clean frame, original interior, and running condition make it an attractive preservation candidate. At $6,500, it provides impressive value for such a large luxury classic. Number 8. 1951 NASH Ambassador Airflyte, $5,000, Wayne, Pennsylvania. The NASH Ambassador Airflyte remains one of the most aerodynamic and futuristic American cars of the early 50s. Its unique enclosed fender styling continues to draw attention at car shows today. This example runs and drives and has received several useful updates, including a 12-volt electrical conversion, new generator, fuel pump, regulator, and ignition components. The 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive enhances drivability. Although some body rust is present, it remains a solid and interesting survivor at $5,000. Number 9. 1968 Ford Galaxie 500, $9,500, Charlestown, New Hampshire. The 1968 Ford Galaxie 500 represents Ford's final era of full-size muscle and luxury before downsizing became common. These cars are known for their smooth ride and durable V8-powered platforms. This particular Galaxie reportedly spent its life in dry southwestern conditions before moving to New Hampshire, helping preserve its remarkably clean undercarriage. With 69,000 original miles, matching numbers, and a reputation for driving properly, it appears to be a well-preserved example. At $9,500, it offers solid value for a largely original full-size Ford. Number 10. 1951 Plymouth Coupe, $6,500, Felton, Delaware. The 1951 Plymouth Coupe offers classic post-war styling and serves as an excellent candidate for either restoration or hot rod customization. Its simple construction and strong enthusiast support make it a popular project platform. This estate sale vehicle features a solid body and frame with minimal visible rust. Although the currently installed engine has mechanical issues and the car does not run, the original straight-six engine is included. At $6,500, it presents a versatile project opportunity for hobbyists. Number 11. 1969 Buick LeSabre, $10,000, Newark, Maryland. The 1969 Buick LeSabre combines full-size comfort with Buick's dependable 150 cubic inch V8 and refined driving manners. These cars are increasingly appreciated for their styling and reliability. This largely rust-free example shows 70,000 original miles and benefits from numerous recent upgrades, including a new carburetor, radiator, water pump, ignition components, battery, and dual exhaust system. The interior remains largely intact, and original paperwork is included. At $10,000, it appears to be a well-maintained survivor. Number 12. 1979 Dodge Magnum, $6,500, Blairsville, Pennsylvania. The 1979 Dodge Magnum represents one of Chrysler's final rear-wheel drive personal luxury coupes of the 70s. Its aggressive styling and relatively low production numbers have helped it gain collector interest in recent years. Powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and equipped with a factory towing package, this two-owner example is described as rust-free and running well. The black exterior and red interior create an attractive color combination. At $6,500, it offers rarity and performance potential. Number 13. 1973 Volvo P1800ES wagon, $8,950, College Point, New York. The 1973 Volvo P1800ES is one of the most distinctive European classics of the era, famous for its unique shooting brake design and all-glass rear hatch. Production lasted only 2 years, making these cars highly collectible today. This example features a 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive and has received recent work including a new fuel tank, refreshed brakes, fuel lines, and tires. While it still requires some mechanical attention, the solid frame rails and included spare parts make it a promising project. At $8,950, it represents an opportunity to acquire a rare Volvo classic. Number 14. 1970 Ford Maverick, $7,000, Old Fields, West Virginia. The 1970 Ford Maverick became popular for its lightweight platform and excellent potential for V8 performance upgrades. This example has been fitted with a desirable 351 Windsor V8, greatly increasing its appeal among enthusiasts. Numerous recent improvements include a new 4-barrel carburetor, fuel pump, starter, ignition components, radiator, brake parts, and exhaust system. The car runs and carries a clear title, making it an attractive turnkey project. At $7,000, it offers a strong combination of classic styling and proven V8 power.